Hey everybody! If you are doing math, this is what you should see up here, 2020, Semester 2, Rodriguez, Math, 6th grade. So today is April 20th, and it is day 1, and for your opening, you're going to read the I can statement. So let's do that right now. I can recognize opposite signs of numbers as indicating locations on opposite sides of 0 on a number line. What does that mean? That means that we understand that there's a 0 right here and that the numbers to the right are positive and that the numbers to the left are negative, okay? So for your mini lesson, you are going to watch the YouTube video below. So you're going to click on this video. And you are going to watch the entire video. It's a song.
And 824. The gator eats the one that's worth more. He looks at the place values from left to right. It's the greatest hundreds place, so he takes a big bite.
I really like that cute little video because it shows us how to understand which number is going to be bigger, how to compare numbers. So after you're done watching that video, the next step is your work period. If you're watching this video, you're on the right track. You're doing the work period. The work period, you should be following along with these slides. So we see that negative numbers are to the left, bigger numbers are to the right, positive numbers are to the right. So look, on the left-hand side, you've got negative 10. On the right-hand side, you've got positive 10, okay? We can compare these two right here. Look, you've got a 2 and a 5. So I gave you guys your number line right here, and I put an X on the number 2 and an X on the number 5. The number that's to the right, which is this way, is always bigger, okay? Always bigger. So the number that's to the right is always bigger. So which number is to the right? 5. So the alligator ate the most. He ate 5, okay? We can do another one. Negative 2 and 6 is something we're comparing, okay? So I put an X on negative 2 on the number line, and we put an X on 6 on the number line, okay? Which number is farthest to the right? 6, okay? So, which number is the alligator going to eat? He likes to eat the bigger numbers. Ta-da! He likes to eat the number 6 because it's bigger, okay? So now what you guys are going to do after watching this video and after doing that work period, you guys are going to scroll up, click activities, click quizzes. Once you click quizzes, you will find April 20th, Comparing Integers Week 2 quiz, okay? Take the quiz.